Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone has honor added you on Snapchat. And now let's dive right in. Now, to know if someone has honor added you on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to know it. And from over here guys, you'll be required to go to your friend list. To do that, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on your Bitmoji icon, and over here scroll down until you can find the My Friends button. For us, tap on that, and over here guys you can see all of your friends and contacts on this. But to know if someone has unadded you, just let's open up an account of my friend. So over here you can see there is the snap score available for us, which is the number 352. If somebody has unfriended you or unadded you, their snap score will not be available to you, or you will not be able to see them. Over here you can see there is no snap score, as well as many of the details are missing. And you can see guys over here, and on the another account guys, you can see there are still the snap score available for us from our friends. And this is a way you can know if somebody has unadded you on Snapchat, by going through their account and watching their profile. You can see guys, and this way you'll be able to know if somebody has unadded you on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.